Skyer, what is all this? What do you do?
Hey guys, I'm just watching a YouTube video.
No, I didn't.
It's my husky.
No. Skyer. No, Skyer, hear me out, okay? I have a surprise for you, but it's somewhere else. Well, you need to come to the car. Yeah, you need to go to the car with me to go see your surprise. Yeah? You want to go?
Wait, what was that? What was that? What was that? Whoa.
Yellow. Yeah, who is this?
I'm a YouTuber. Hello.
Yeah, you're a YouTuber. That's nice. So what's going on, YouTuber?
Someone called me a copywriter.
What? Someone called you a copywriter. I got to do a civil danger warning effective nationwide.
This is a civil danger warning effective nationwide. Your most attention is required if you live in the United States. Important details vital to your safety will follow. Someone named David called Max Nyquist a copywriter that lives in the United States. This is a threat to our entire country. Canada, Australia, Russia, and the UK will play our national anthem to provide this extreme offense, and this is a threat to all the countries that were announced.
CTV National News with Sandy Ronaldo.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Someone named David called a YouTuber a copywriter. They live in the USA. We'll play our national anthem to provide the extreme event, and this is a threat to our country.
This is the 7 emergency alert system. Someone named David called a YouTuber a copywriter. The YouTuber lives in the United States. And David lives in the United States too. We'll play our national anthem for Max Nyquist.
We interrupt our programming for a national emergency. This is not a test. The UK Emergency Alert System has been activated to provide news for this area. The area you are in London, England. Don't use the phone. The phone lines are open for emergency use only. This is BBC One. Someone named David called Max Nyquist a copywriter. He's a YouTuber that lives in the United States of America. We'll play our national anthem called God Save the Queen. YouTube will be shut down forever.
Civil danger has been issued at the national level. Someone named David called Max Nyquist a copywriter that lives in the United States of America will play our national anthem, and this is a threat to our country.